Hi, today we're going to find the interquartile range. So what the interquartile range is, it's the difference between the first and third quartiles. So remember, the second quartile is the median of the data set. What the interquartile range does is it measures the spread of the middle 50% of the data. So we take a look at our data set. Here we have a set of numbers 9, 2, 5, 8, 1, 7, and 3. First thing we're going to do is we're going to order it from least to greatest. And here we've done that for you. We have 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, and 9. So first we find the median of the total data set. And the median is the number in the middle. Here, the number in the middle is the number 5. So 5 is our median. Next, we're going to find the median of the numbers in the first half of the number set. Here we see that the number in the first half of the number set, the number in the middle is the number 2. So quartile 1 is the number 2. Next, we're going to find the median of the numbers in the last half of the number set. And here we see that the last half is 7, 8, and 9. And the number directly in the middle is the number 8. So quartile 3 is 8. Because remember, quartile 2 was our mean of the total data set. Now, our interquartile range is the difference between the first quartile, which is our number 2, and the third quartile, which is the number 8. So IQR simply stands for interquartile range, is merely 8 minus 2, which is equal to 6. So the interquartile range is 6. We're going to look at another data set. Here we have a set of numbers, and the numbers are themselves even. So we're going to order the numbers from least to greatest. See, we've done that for you here. And we see that there are literally 8 numbers. So that's an even set of numbers. So next, we're going to find the median of the data set of numbers. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers here up to 8, and then another 4. So what we have to do is we have to take the 8 and the 10, and we have to add those together and then divide by 2. So we have 8 plus 10 divided by 2, which is going to give us, the quartile 2 is going to be the number 9. So we found quartile 2 and the mean of the whole data set. Now we have to find the mean of the numbers in the first half of the set before the median. I'm sorry, I said mean, but I mean median. So here we have 2, 4, 6, and 8. So the same thing applies here as well. We have to take 4 and 6 and then divide that by 2 because there's no odd number that we can just pick in the middle. So we have 4 plus 6 divided by 2, which is going to give us 5. So our quartile 1 is going to be 5. Next, we're going to find the median of the last half of the numbers. So because we don't have an odd number, we can't just pick the number in the middle. Again, we have to add the 12 and the 14, and then we have to divide by 2. So 12 plus 14 divided by 2 is going to give us 13 because 26 divided by 2 is 13. So 13 is quartile 3. So the interquartile range of this data set is quartile 3 minus quartile 1, which is 13 minus 5, which gives us 8. The interquartile range is 8.